Let's look at question number 20. For any real non-zero number x, f of x plus of 2 times of 1 by f of 1 by x, f of 1 by x is turning out to be equals to 3x. That's what the question is talking about. Now, it is a very peculiar question. If we have prepared well, we will be able to see through the design of the question. We can look at this and say, instead of x, if I put 1 by x, I will get one more equation. If I put 1 by x over here, what will I get? I'll say 2 times of f of x is equals to 3 by x. Instead of x, I've put 1 by x. I can do that, right? Now, if I add the two equations, what am I going to get? You will get 3f of x and 3 times of f of 1 by x. So you are overall going to get 3 times of f of x plus f of 1 by x, which is turning out to be equals to the sum on this side, which is 3 times of x plus 1 by x. So 3 will get cancelled out. So now I know the value of f of x plus f of 1 by x, which is turning out to be how much? X plus 1 by x. Now go back to this first equation. F of x plus f of 1 by x is something that I have in terms of x, right? Which is x plus 1 by x. So I'm writing x plus 1 by x in place of what? F of x plus f of 1 by x. But there was 2 times of f of 1 by x, right? So I will still be left with f of 1 by x. That should be equals to 3x. This implies what? F of x, f of 1 by x will turn out to be 3x minus x, which is 2x minus of 1 by x. This will be f of 1 by x. Now, if I've got f of 1 by x, replace this 1 by x with x, what will you get? F of x. F of x will turn out to be what? 2 by x. In place of x, we are putting 1 by x. So over here, what will you get? You will get x. So f of x is turning out to be what? 2x, 2 by x minus of x. Now, what is the question asking you? The sum of all possible real values of x for which f of x is equals to 3. So what are we saying? We are saying 2 by x minus of x is turning out to be equals to 3. So what are we getting? 2 minus of x square is equals to 3x. So what are we getting? X square plus of 3x minus of 2 is turning out to be equals to 0. Now, what is the question asking you? Sum of all possible real values of x. If you look at this and look at the discriminant, which is b square, which is 9, minus of 4 into minus of 2, that will give you a positive number. So the roots over here are real for sure, right? That's one thing. What will be the sum of the values of x? Minus 3 by 1, which is going to be what? Minus 3. So option A, minus 3, will be the correct answer for this question.